Welcome to the tutorial on installing the green power module in the Kame FTX automation for swing gates. For installation you only need a small flat screwdriver for terminals. The material to be installed is composed of the green power module and the connection cables. First, turn off the power to the automation. Remove the electronic board by leveraging the two fixing hooks. Insert the terminal block into the green power module in the indicated guide. Disconnect the transformer cable from the line filter. Connect the transformer cable to the L1T and L2T terminal blocks supplied. Insert the terminal block into the green power module in the position indicated. Connect the cable with the two wires supplied to the line filter. Insert the line filter cable into the module, at the position indicated. Using the second STB cable, connect it to the green power module, and route it into the upper channel. Reposition the board above the automation, and connect the STB cable to the electronic board. Verify that the F60 function is correctly set to the value 2. Access with the Enter key and scroll through the menu until you reach the F60 function, then press Enter again to check the value. If the F60 function is not present, you need to update the board to the latest firmware. Use the Kame key and the Setup app to update. The automation with green power installed goes into low consumption mode after 3 minutes of inactivity. This state is signaled by a flash of the power LED every 5 seconds. For more information, please visit the technical documentation website at docs.kame.com. We hope we have been helpful, and thank you for choosing Kame for your automatic gate.